Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 IS 200T. The Lexus IS 200T is a luxurious compact sedan that is extremely nimble, has a dynamic look, and provides all the bells and whistles you would need. Sit behind the wheel and you'll see why this is a vehicle everyone is clamoring about. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors. Come see the car for yourself.